Brace yourselves for the great canoeing conundrum.
Yeah!
Whoa. Did you see that?
The purpose of branding is to create a unique and recognizable identity for a product.
Oh, this is Sherman with the teeth. Sherman, you have teeth and eyeballs? To get a family out of the house and into the car to go to a place is such a thing, man. Excuse me? Wanted to leave 47 minutes ago, and here we are. Oh, God. Was that on video? Sherman just spewed on me. It's pretty typical. When he's seasoning on your food, just hang out with Sherman.
Garage door shut.
All right, we did it.
In the heart of the Show Me state, a quirky family embarked on a zany adventure down the Big Piney River, near the delightfully named town of Uranus, Missouri. Right along the iconic Route 66.
We're here at Devil's Elbow Campground. Can't come in until you get access. We have reservations. No humans. Call the number, no humans. So we just started walking around and found the only spot open with electricity, and that should be ours.
Their escapade began with a hilariously chaotic attempt to set up camp. Tents seemed to rebel against their intended purposes.
There you go. Hold on, and the other one. Got it. Man, we've like taken over this whole spot.
They're usually kind of stretchy.
So this is a good place. Actually has tons of potential. Look where we're at, and this has power. Uh-oh, to cover. So anyway, look at this. We'll just do this.
What is it?
It's our smoke alarm. That is so ironic. 3 a.m. last night, this same thing was happening in our house. Our smoke alarm was going off.
Sherman is having a fit.
Oh, now the dog was having a fit last night.
I can understand.
Oh, look at him shake. Look at him shake.
You're gonna make
It's
it,
okay.
buddy. It's gonna be
Shake it, don't break it, Dersh.
It's all right.
That's comedy. Too bad I don't have video footage of the fire alarm, smoke alarm going off at 3 a.m. last night. Look at this. This is huge. The only problem is the river is right there, but you can't see it. I mean, they should have little paths. Wait till tomorrow when they have their life jackets on because they have a handle. It's awesome. I think 3 o'clock is the dog throwing contest. You're going backwards. Yeah, go ahead and fight off the raft. You're going to flip over. She's peeing our stuff?
The following day,
Let's see who's awake.
here's a silly and ridiculous voiceover for your canoeing video. The following day, they squeezed themselves into canoes that looked more like circus props than vessels for serious river navigation. A rather unconventional family embarked on a truly absurd adventure along the Big Piney River. Get ready to embark on a journey of aquatic absurdity with our fearless heroes. The husband, appointed as the river guide, led the way, zigzagging along the river like a disoriented snake on roller skates. They narrowly avoided rocks and veered around overhanging branches, providing endless entertainment for the local wildlife. Their paddles are like magic wands. Look at them go. Row. Row. Row your boat.
Swingy spot. Don't get rope burn on your nards.
Suspended tantalizingly over the Big Piney, the teenage boys swung with the grace of sacks of potatoes, creating waves that would have rivaled Niagara Falls. The husband, refusing to be outdone, attempted a daring swing of his own. Whoa. Did you see that?
More! Work! Almost there! Okay, and grab for it! Yes!
Until next time, keep paddling, keep laughing, and keep the silliness alive on the high seas, or, in this case, the calm rivers.
Go. Oh, nice grab. Sherman, sit. Enough. Sherman. Can't be comfortable. That's good. Oh my lord.
As the sun dipped below the horizon, the simple joys of camping are woven into a treasure trove of memories that will be cherished for generations to come. With the break of dawn, the family decided to visit the nearby town of Uranus, Missouri. Drawn by its irresistible ponderful charm, they wandered through quirky shops, collecting souvenirs adorned with witty double entendres, and reveled in the phenomenal atmosphere of the town.
Is the rooster gonna do something?
I wanna eat as much as I can, 'cause if you get some fudge, some chewy gooey fudge.
You lost. Keep Uranus clean.
I don't know why I find that funny.
Feed Sherman the dinosaur.
Leaving Uranus with bags full of puns and memories, they knew that their preposterous adventure would be a tale for the ages. Goodbye. And keep paddling on the wacky waves of life.